Welcome back to Dan the Cleaning Man. You want to land your first cleaning contract without the stress. Watch this step-by-step guide and start growing your business today. We will see you inside.
Are you ready to take your cleaning business to the next level, but unsure how to get your first contract set up? You're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to create a cleaning contract quickly, efficiently, and professionally. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to protect yourself and your clients while building lasting business relationships. Stick around, let's make this effortless. Let's kick things off with a simple but important question. Why do you need a cleaning contract in the first place? Think of a cleaning contract as the foundation of your business. It's not just a formality, it protects your interests, sets clear expectations for clients, and ensures you get paid for your hard work. A well-written contract can prevent misunderstandings, legal issues, and even disputes over payments. Plus, having a contract in place shows professionalism, which can help you stand out from your competitors. Clients are far more likely to trust someone who takes their business seriously. Now, let's dive into how to build one step by step. Before you even think about writing your contract, you need to gather some key details. Here's what to include. Start with the basics. Include your business name, address, phone number, and email. If you're a solo cleaner, use your personal details but keep it professional. Next, you'll need your client's full name or business name, their contact information, and the location where services will be performed. Be as specific as possible here. List out the services you'll be providing, the frequency of cleaning, and the expected duration. For example, weekly cleaning of a 2,000 square foot office space, including vacuuming, dusting, and trash removal. Spell out how much you'll charge, how often you'll send invoices, and your accepted payment methods. Be sure to include any late payment fees to protect yourself. Now that you've gathered the details, it's time to include some must-have clauses in your contract. These will make it legally sound and airtight. This section should clearly define the services you're providing. Stick to what's agreed upon and avoid vague language like miscellaneous cleaning tasks. Will this contract be ongoing, or will it end after a specific date? Clarify whether it's a one-time service, a monthly contract, or an annual arrangement. Reiterate how and when you'll be paid, but also include details about cancellations, refunds, and late fees. Protect your business by addressing liability. If you have insurance, include that information here to give your clients peace of mind. What happens if either party wants to end the contract? Be sure to outline the notice period and any associated fees. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be complicated. We'll keep it simple in the next section. Now that you know the key elements of a cleaning contract, let's make the process even easier. Instead of starting from scratch, you can use free janitorial contract templates available online. These templates provide a professional structure and save you time. One of the best places to start is legal websites that offer free or low-cost contract templates. Sites like Rocket Lawyer, Law Depot, and LegalZoom provide professional-grade templates that are easy to customize. Some even guide you through the process step by step to ensure nothing important is missed. Small business resources are another excellent option. Many government websites, like the Small Business Administration or local business support organizations, have free service contract templates that can be adapted for janitorial work. Don't forget to check out freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. While they focus on connecting businesses with freelancers, some users share resources like cleaning contract templates for free or at a very low cost. Another goldmine for free templates is community forums and professional groups. Online communities for cleaning professionals often share resources to help one another grow. Look for Facebook groups or LinkedIn forums dedicated to cleaning businesses. Lastly, template-specific sites like template.net or Canva offer free and professional templates. While Canva is typically used for design projects, they also have customizable templates for contracts that look polished and professional. No matter where you source your template, make sure to review and personalize it to reflect your business's unique needs. Keep the structure professional, the language simple, and the details thorough. Once your contract is written, you're almost there. Here are the last steps to make it official. Check for typos, missing details, or confusing language. It's also a good idea to have someone else read it to ensure everything makes sense. Share the contract with your client and give them time to review it. Be open to answering any questions they have and making minor adjustments if needed. Both you and your client should sign and date the contract. If possible, use a digital signature tool for added convenience and professionalism. Always provide your client with a copy of the signed contract. This builds trust and ensures both parties are on the same page. Before we wrap up, let me share a few tips to help you succeed. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself with complex contracts or big clients right away. Practice with smaller agreements until you're comfortable. Stay organized. Keep all your contracts stored securely, whether digitally or in a physical filing system. Keep learning. Laws and industry standards can change, so stay informed to keep your contracts up to date. Be confident. 4. Remember you're a professional, and having a contract only reinforces that. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up your first cleaning contract effortlessly. Remember, it's not as intimidating as it might seem, and with a little preparation, you'll be signing your first client in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments. What's the biggest challenge you face when setting up contracts? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep growing your business the smart way.